Hi everyone, Jay here. A little about me. I've been doing internet marketing now for 15 years. I have numerous blogs and websites, and I've also know a lot about local marketing. And what I did is I put together a almost 30-minute video that's going to teach local businesses how to shoot to the top of Google. You can see my headline here: Free Watch Local SEO Wizard Rank Multiple Businesses to the top of Google for hundreds of lucrative keyword terms that spit out money. So if you could be a local HVAC tech, a local plumber, local electrician, an attorney, doctor, dentist, whatever it may be. If you need more traffic to your business via Google, you want your keyword terms, whatever is related to your business, to shoot up the rankings, so you start getting more leads and more customers and more sales for your business, you're going to want to check out this video. It's 100% free, and I'm going to go over it real quick here, and I'm going to tell you how to access this. Like I said, free of cost. Watch Jay Orban, that's me, pioneer of the Speedy Local SEO program, share with you step by step how he is able to help any local business owner get top Google rankings in literally minutes with no prior experience needed. See exactly how he implements these proven local SEO strategies any local business owner can do in literally no time flat with no prior experience, and start to see truly amazing results as you shoot up the Google SERPs like a SpaceX rocket. No experience needed. See results in as little as 1 hour. Perfect for local small business owners who do not have time to waste. See exactly step by step what I am doing to dominate the local search engines. With easy to follow video tutorial guaranteed to shoot you up the local SERPs and Google Maps listings. If you run a local business and you want a huge boost in your organic Google rankings, you need to watch this 29-minute video on the next page now. You're going to gain a massive Google bump, get more leads, more customers, and ultimately more money in your bank account. Now, if that sounds good to you, like I said, this video is absolutely free. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this, what you need to do, so you don't have to know anything about search engine optimization. I'm going to show you what to do, how to do it, and all that good stuff inside this 29-minute video. I'm also going to give you some excellent SEO tips. Like I said, if you're a local business owner, you don't know anything about local SEO, you're going to learn a lot in this, short 29-minute video. That's going to teach you all about it, the steps you need to take to start shooting your business up the Google rankings for all those keyword terms that are related to your business, to drive more leads, more sales, and more customers through your door. That's what every local business owner wants. So this sounds good to you, which it should. Like I said, it's 100% free of cost. Click the link below in the video description box. It's going to be the first link there. There's also going to be a link in the upper right-hand corner of the video itself. You can click that link and get access to this page here where you can sign up for this free course as well. It'll shoot you over here. All you need to do is click this big yellow box here. Click here and tell me where to send your Speedy Local SEO course, and I will send it over to you ASAP. And on the next page, you're going to get instant access to it. You'll be able to watch the video. You're going to learn some cool new tricks to help your local business get to the top of Google. Essentially, I'm going to show you what to do. I'm also going to give you some cool resources for your business you can take advantage of if you want. But with that being said, you're going to want to watch this video. It's some really good information. Like I said, 100% free of charge, and it's going to help your local business out a great deal. So take advantage of it before I decide to put a price tag on it. So with that being said, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the inside. Take care.